Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. May iba nagtataka? Sira yata ulit yung doktor na to eh. Good morning eh, hapon na. We always say good morning at Life Farm Global and Forever Rich Philippines because the sun never sets on laminine. You are here inside the training room because you want to learn something. Physicians are not healers. We did not study 8 years of medicine to make you well. You have to understand we are in the sickness industry. We have to see sick people all the time. Because if there's no more sick people, we will be out of business. Nag-aral ho kami, milyon ang ginastos namin para maging doktor, tapos lahat kayo magaling, wala na kami negosyo. Hindi dapat. Wala kayong karapatang gumaling. Our relationship is symbiotic. I am the doctor, you are my patient, till death do us part. Doctor, I will make sure it is you who will depart. I stay for the next patient. Your body, ladies and gentlemen, has its own healing mechanism. And it is the doctor's job to activate and reactivate the body's healing mechanism. Meron kayong mga doktor sa katawan ninyo. Yun po ang nagpapagaling sa inyo, hindi kami, at lalong-lalo na, hindi ang mga medisina na ibinibigay namin sa inyo. Synthetic drug. Synthetic means artificial, and drug means poison. The reason why you guys are still alive up to now is because the poison that you have been taking is artificial. See, the longer that you are sick, the more business for us. When I gave you a prescription medicine that you need to buy in any drugstore, ano yung waiver na nakasama doon sa mga gamot na binibili ninyo? If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Ano yung ginamot? Sakit o sintomas? Anong meron kayo? Sintomas o sakit? Eh bakit sintomas ang ginagamot ninyo? Hindi niyo ba naisip yun? Inom kayo ng inom ng gamot, hindi naman kayo gumagaling. Kasi nga, hindi kayo pwedeng gumaling. Wala kayong karapatan. Kailangan palagi kayong may sakit. At yun ang ibibigay namin sa inyo. Kapag kami nag-opera sa inyo, wala ho kaming inilalagay dyan sa loob ng katawan ninyo. Meron kami inaalis. Kung sakali man may nailagay dyan, sigurado na iwanan yun. It's as simple as that. Eh, so Doc, anong ibig mong sabihin? Yung bang product na ipinopromote ninyo, nakakagamot? Hindi po. Kaya nga sumusunod kami sa requirement ng Department of Health na lahat ng nutraceutical or supplement, lalagyan niya ng no approved therapeutic claim. Tama, dahil hindi kami gamot. Pero bagamat hindi kami gamot, kami po ay nakakagaling. You have to understand the difference between curing and healing. Our product does not cure or treat any disease. We will not even claim that the product can replace medicine to cure or treat any disease. What we will claim is that our product can assist the body in healing itself. Your body has its own healing mechanism. Our job is to activate and reactivate the body's healing mechanism. And when the body heals, it heals completely, not selectively. Hindi pwedeng pagagalingin ko yung sakit mo sa puso, may sakit ka pa rin sa utak. Hindi pwedeng gagalingin yung sakit mo sa atay, may sakit ka pa rin sa puso. It does not work that way. Hindi po kami katulad sa traditional medicine na a pill for every ill. May maintenance for hypertension, may maintenance for sugar, may maintenance for cholesterol, may maintenance for the brain. Hindi po ganon. We have no approved therapeutic claim. That's why we cannot cure or treat any disease. But we can heal or we can assist the body in healing itself. Why? Because we have an approved therapeutic value. It is the value or the components of the product that can help the body heal itself. Para patunayan ko sa inyo na meron kayong mga doktor sa katawan ninyo, sino na rito ang nilagnat na? Lahat! Bakit nilalagnat ang tao? Simply because there is a viral infection going on inside your digestive system. Now, the body detected that there is a virus, so it needs to act to kill the virus. How can the body kill the virus? High temperature. So maglalabas yan ng matinding init para mamatay yung virus. E kaso mga pakialamero kayo, at the first sign of fever, ininuman nyo yan ng paracetamol. Gamot. Bakit? Ayaw magkasakit kasi may gimmick pa mamayang gabi. Nawala yung lagnat o hindi tumuloy yung lagnat, pero the virus will remain alive inside your digestive system and it will mutate to a different form of disease. Pneumonia, bronchopneumonia, typhoid fever, etc., etc. So huwag kayong pakialamero. When you are going to have a fever, let the fever run for 2 days. Pabayaan nyo lang lumabas yung lagnat. Huwag nyo iinuman ng gamot. Inuman nyo lang yan ng lots of liquids or vitamin C in juice format. Hindi yung mga ascorbic acid, ascorbate. Gusto kong tanggalin niyo po sa isipan. Umiinom ako 500 mg sodium ascorbate or ascorbic acid. The human body, the female, can only absorb 86 mg of sodium ascorbate or ascorbic acid per day. And the male body can only accommodate up to 135 mg of sodium ascorbate or ascorbic acid on a daily basis. Anything in excess will cause you nephrolithiasis or kidney stones. So, pabayaan nyo lang lumabas yung lagnat. Pag 2 araw, patay na yung virus, the fever will subside. May nakita na ba kayong tao nilalagnat, 1 taon, may lagnat siya? Wala naman, di ba? So, let the fever come. Let it out. After 2 days, it will subside. Pero kung hindi pa rin nagsasubside, then possibility, dengue. Pagka 3 days na nilalagnat, go see your doctor. That's the time you drink your medicine. See? Eh kung dengue yan, anong gagawin ninyo? Paano nyo malalaman na dengue? Anybody? Volunteer?
Bleeding nose.
Bleeding nose. Delikado na yun. Ano pa? Rashes. How will you know that there's going to be rashes? Anong?
Red mark.
Paano niyo palalabasan yung red mark? Ang tatalian mo, saan? Sa leeg? Tourniquet test. Tatalian niyo yung braso. Tapos lalagyan niyo ng pencil or ballpen, tapos iikutin niyo ng ganon hanggang sa sumikip, hindi na makakadalo yung dugo, then that's the time the rashes will come out. Pag nag-rashes yan, ibig sabihin dengue. Anong gagawin ninyo kung dengue? Doktor! Dadalhin sa doktor. Dadalhin sa ER. Pagdating sa ER, sasabihin ng nurse, obserbahan nun natin. I-laboratory test yan. Pag dumating yung laboratory test, kahit na maayos yung laboratory test, sasabihin yan, ipa-admit ho natin, bilhin nyo muna itong mga medicines na to sa butika. Bakit nagkaganon? There are 3 locations in the hospital that makes the most money. Emergency room, laboratory, pharmacy. Ikaw, dinala mo na yung pasyente doon dahil alam mong dengue. Sila, pagdating mo doon, sila ang mga nurse, sila ang mga doktor, sasabihin nila, obserbahan muna natin. Hindi pa nila alam kung dengue. Ikaw, alam mo na dengue, hindi ka doktor. Bakit nagkaganon? Tapos observe, 2 days, 3 days, biglang sasabihin, nako, dengue nga po, bumagsak na yung platelets, salinan na natin ng dugo. Bakit? Business. Ano? Late ka lang ang pumasok, nang aabala ka pa dyan. Sasagot pa. Guilty na. Sasagot pa. Diba? Nasaan ako ngayon? Nasa dengue. Ano ba gamot sa dengue? Tubig. Lots of water. Especially water with electrolytes. You can buy it at any Mercury drugstore. Water with electrolytes. Kung walang water with electrolytes, pumunta kayo sa 7-Eleven o sa mini-stop at bumili kayo ng Gatorade. Maraming electrolytes yun. O kaya, kung gusto mo naman, matyaga ka, alam nyo ba yung dahon na tawa-tawa? Saan yun makikita? Sa tabi ng pader. Sa tabi ng daan, iba na yon. Yun yung maliliit na dahon na tumutubo sa pader. Diba? Makikita niyo yung pader ninyo, walang lamok. Asan ang lamok? Nasa loob ng bahay niyo. So, ano gagawin? Kumuha ng tawa-tawa. Anong gagawin sa tawa-tawa? Mali! Hindi po nilalaga yan. Lahat ng gulay hindi nilalaga o hindi pinapakuluan because the moment you boil your vegetables or any green leaves, all the nutrients dissipate. Huhugasan nyo lang yan ng maigi at ipanguya mo doon sa taong may dengue. Okay? May natututunan mo ba kayo? Yes! So, ba tayo napunta sa dengue? Ewan ko kung bakit. See? Ngayon, kung meron kayong laminine, tanggalin po sa capsule ang laminine, ilagay sa dila or sa bibig ng taong may dengue. At painumin ho ng maraming tubig. Every hour, 2 capsules of laminine. Every hour. Tingnan niyo nangyari kay Peter Kairos. Hindi niya alam may dengue na pala siya. Inom lang siya ng inom ng laminine. Nung makita na yung laboratory results niya, dengue. Siya nakatayo, nagtrabaho pa. See? Laminine. So what is laminine? Laminine is a stem cell enhancer. Wrong. Laminine is a health mechanism that increases the health integrity of the body so that the body can heal itself. Distributors, wag na ninyo sasabihin that laminine is a stem cell enhancer. Okay? Medical team. Laminine is a health mechanism that increases the health integrity of the body so that the body can heal itself. This is the closest alternative to stem cell therapy. Okay? At least we're not violating anything. Sino gumawa ng laminine? Laminine has been manufactured by Life Farm Global Network. Life Farm Global Network is a wholly owned subsidiary of Life Farm Incorporated. The company has over 25 years experience in manufacturing and distributing wellness and nutraceutical products. Our brands are like a household brands already. Parang dito sa Philippines, Cortal, Coke. Pag sinabi mong toothpaste, Colgate. Kahit na close-up yan, Colgate pa rin. Di ba? Bili ka nga Colgate, ibig sabihin bumili ka toothpaste. Household brand, bukang bibig. Sa Amerika at sa ibang bansa. Except the Philippines. I'm sorry, nawala. Have already exceeded our $100 million mark in sales, and some of our products has been branded Super Brand Awards. We are on the same category of Coca-Cola, Sony, and Boeing. We have been awarded the Super Brand status. Ito, ginagamit ko na po yan, Extremes. Ayaw namin magbenta rito sa Philippines. Why? The owner, the multi-billionaire American-Indonesian by the name of Bernard Shota, does not want to market in the Philippines. Why? He is so afraid that one of these days, the products will just be made available sa Tutuban, sa Divisoria, sa Baclaran, sa Binondo, na peke na. Pag nalaman niya ng mga mamimeke, itlog lang pala to. Makapaglaga nga ng 100 itlog. At ilalagay ko sa capsule, at ilalagay ko yan sa packaging, at ibebenta ko yan sa sulit.com. Kaya yung mga bumibili sa sulit.com, peke yung nabibili ninyo. Peke. Huwag kayong bibili sa sulit.com. Hindi kayo masusulit. So the company does not want to manufacture or market here, but because of this lady here, her name is Susan Barlin, the global ambassador to the Philippines and Southeast Asia, she prodded the owners of the company to give the Filipinos a chance to try the product. Bakit po? Dahil ang mga Pilipino may sakit din. Hindi kaya mahal na gamot at lalong kuripot sa pagbili ng mga gamot. So pinakiusapan niya yung may-ari, bossing, bigyan mo naman kami ng produkto. Sabi gano'n ng bossing, okay, I will give you a chance. You sell this much product, and when you sell the product, we will make the Philippines the official gateway to the world. So that was a challenge. And she was able to fill that challenge because instead of selling the product in 2 months' time, the product was sold in 2 weeks' time. Nung mabenta yung 300,000 bottles in 2 weeks' time, the Philippines became the official gateway to the world. Hindi na po magbebenta ang Amerika sa ibang bansa. Sa Pilipinas na lang, at ang Pilipinas ngayon ang maglalabas nito sa iba't ibang bansa, and that's exactly what happened. Last March 2nd, 2012, when we launched Forever Rich Philippines, after launching the Philippine market, immediately the South African market was open. Binuksan ng South Africa under Francis Pira. So what does it mean? The Philippines will be the next medical tourism capital of the world through Lami 9. Yes. Lami 9 ang maglalagay sa Pilipinas sa mapa ng medical tourism. Napakaganda ng produkto. Nakita nyo? Magtatanong iba. Ay, networking pala. Yes, it's on network marketing. For 25 years, Life Farm Global has been on direct traditional business. It is only now that they ventured in network marketing. A company made by you and for you. Why did we choose network marketing? Simply because we want every Filipinos to be able to get a hold of the product for less. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng prescription ng doktor. Close to stem cell therapy to eh. Stem cell enhancer nga eh. Alam niyo ba kung magkakano yun? Mahal. Pag nilagay namin yan sa pharmaceutical industry, the price will triple or quadruple. And then you will need a prescription of a doctor in order to buy the product. As opposed it's in a nutraceutical industry, you can just buy it from every distributor. Mga distributors na mga MD, PhD. Alam niyo ba kung ano yun? Mukhang doktor, pero hindi doktor. MD, PhD. Hindi na kailangan ng prescription. See? Mas mura. Dahil kung hindi, bibili niyo sa akin yan. Meron ako isang pasyente, kung bilhin sa akin yan, 15,000 per box. As opposed to 1,880 kung ikaw ay dealer, or 2,500 kung ikaw ay distributor. 15,000. Lakas kong rumakit, ano? Hindi naman ako nagpresyo nun eh. Binigay lang yun ng doktor sa akin. Sabi niya, ikaw na magbenta dito. Eto, magandang kliyente ito. 10 kahon ang binibili nito, linggo-linggo. Hindi ko rin sasabihin sa inyo na asawa siya ni Gretchen Barreto. So, nung umorder sa akin ng 10 kahon, binigyan ko 10 kahon, binigyan ako ng envelope. Akala ko, yun yung bayad. Nung binuksan ko yung pera, nanginig yung kamay ko dahil nakita ko may 150,000 doon eh. Sabi ko, asa na yan? Bentahan ko pa uli. See? Ganun siya kamahal. Ganun yung binigay, mapapahiya yung doktora na nag-endorse sa akin, hindi ko na binago yung presyo. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ang bayad niya sa akin. Kaya ang dami ko ngayong nabibiling product, ibinibigay ko sa National Children's Cancer Society. Kasi kung hindi yun, mayaman na ako ngayon. Imagine niyo simula pa nung August, September, October, November, December, January, February, 6 months, 150 times 6. Dami-rami yun, ano? Kaya yun, dami-raming batang gumaling ho sa Lami 9. Salamat doon kay Tony Boy ko. See, this is how profound the product is. Importante na maintindihan po ninyo yan. Bakit po? Kasi po ito ang magpapakawala sa inyo sa kadiliman. This will enlighten you. Why? Because nowadays, we are now on a revolution wherein what we call it is a stem cell revolution. Tapos na tayo sa vitamin C revolution, multivitamin revolution, antioxidant revolution, immune system revolution. We are done that. We are now on 2010 onwards, it is now the stem cell revolution. What is a stem cell? A stem cell are cells that have an ability to become various types of cells. They can become your red blood cells, your white blood cells, your blood and immune cells, platelets, liver cells, nerve cells, hepatic cells, sperm cells. They are present both during the embryonic stage, that is what you call the embryonic stem cell, or in adult human body, or the adult stem cell. Asan ang gamit niyan? What's the use of stem cell? It is most profound in your cerebrovascular and on your cardiovascular system. Lahat ng tao kailangan po ito. Kailangan nating mag-reproduce ng stem cell. But unfortunately, there are stem cells that we cannot produce anymore after the age of 21. Basahin niyo na lang po isa-isa yan. Yan ang gamit ng stem cell. But there is a major cell or a cell adhesion molecule or what I call a stem cell adhesion molecule in our body that we need to pay attention. It is the only cell adhesion molecule and its name is laminin. Laminin, a cell adhesion molecule that glues us together. Gusto kong pantinin niyo itong salitang ito, glues us together. Ano yung laminin na yan? Laminin are major proteins in the basal lamina, one of the layers of the basement membrane. They are a major protein network foundation for most cells and organs. They are a family, an important and biologically active part of the basal lamina, influencing cell differentiation. When we said cell differentiation, this young tissue extract or this young cell, pag nabuo ba yan, will it become a girl, boy, bakla, tomboy? Cell differentiation. Cellular migration. Will this young tissue extract or this young cell, pag nabuo ba yan, will it become a part of your heart, your brain, your liver, your skeletal system, your muscular system, etc., etc.? That is what we call cellular migration. This young tissue extract, pag nabuo ba, will it bind one cell to another to form a chain-like structure that will make the base foundation of your entire being? Para kayo buo. Katulad yan ng pader na yan. Merong ano dyan sa loob? Bakal. Ano ba? Hollow blocks. At saka pinalitadahan para kuminis. Ganun po yun. That is what we call cellular adhesion. This young tissue extract, pag nabuo, will it last you 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 75 years, or 120 years? They are the ones that decide your phenotype and survival. Kung gaano katatagal sa mundong ibabaw. They are a family of glycoproteins that are an integral part of the structural scaffolding of every major tissue of an organism. Para mas madali niyong maintindihan, tanong, ilan ang bahagi ng itlog? Ilan, bro?
The shell, the embryo.
So, ilan? 3 or 4. Safe siya sumagot. Sinasabing 4, taas ang kamay. Sinasabing 4. Sinasabing 3. O yung mga hindi nagtaas ang kamay, ano? Hindi kayo sigurado? Hindi ho yan pwedeng maging dalawa, ha? Ibang itlog yung dalawa. The left and the right lang yon. There are 4 layers in an egg. The shell, the white thin membrane, the white of the egg, and then the egg yolk. Yung white thin membrane na yon, that is the laminin of the egg, a structural scaffolding. Kapag wala yon, hindi po mabubuo ang itlog, magiging bugok. Yun yung pinipilas nyo pag kumakain kayo ng balot. Yung white thin membrane, yun yung nagbabalat kayo ng itlog na nilaga pagka naiiwan. Diba? That is the laminin of the egg, a structural scaffolding. Without that, the egg will not become a chick. Okay? They are what literally holds one cell of our body to the next cell. Without them, or without the laminin, you will literally fall apart. Yung mga taong pinapanganak na may bingot, may cleft palate, kulang sa kamay, kulang sa paa. Yung mga magulang ng taong yon, kulang sa laminin. Kaya nung nabuo siya, kulang din siya. Yung mga taong nagkakaroon ng skin dermatitis, tinea, lethal skin blistering disease, psoriasis, even leprosy and vitiligo. Kulang sa laminin yung tao na yon, kaya nagkaroon siya ng lethal skin blistering disease. Yung mga madaling tubuan na eczema, yun. Kulang sa laminin. Yung mga taong nagkakaroon ng nephrotic syndrome, nagkakaroon ng nephrolithiasis or sakit sa bato, bukod sa pag-inom ng maraming vitamin C or ascorbate, kulang sa laminin. Hanggang sa dumating ang punto na nag-renal failure na siya, kailangan na siyang mag-dialysis. Kulang sa laminin yung tao na yun. So nakita ninyo kung gaano ka-importante yung laminin. Naintindihan na ba? Naunawaan? Doon tayo sa religious side. Hindi ba meron palagi sinasabi sa atin ng Bible? Take care of your body because your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit or God. Very simple commandment that pertains to your body. Sino rito mga Kristiyano? Taas ang kamay. Mga relihiyoso. Yung mga nagsisimba sa iba't ibang simbahan, iba't ibang araw. May Baklaran pag Miyerkules, mayroong St. Jude pag Huwebes, may Mount Carmel pag Biyernes. Sino yan? Diba? We all profess to be Christians. We love God. I heart Jesus. I love this. I love that. Then why is it, let me ask you, that the most simplest commandment of taking care of your body, because your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit, you cannot even follow? Why? Doesn't that make us all sanctimonious hypocrites? The simplest commandment, take care of your body, because your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. I am a Christian. I heart Jesus. I love God. And yet you do not follow the simplest commandment of taking care of your body. In Colossians 1:15-17, it states there, He is before all things, and in Him all things holds together. They're talking about Christ inside each and every one of us, the one that holds us together. Kanina, laminin, a cell adhesion molecule that glues us together. Christ holds us together. Laminin glues us together. When they check the electron microscope, how laminin looks like, it is a figure of a cross. Does it make sense now when God said, take care of your body because your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit? Does it make sense now? In Colossians 1:15-17, they say that Christ is the one that holds us together. Laminin, nasa katawan ninyo, in a figure of a cross. The cross, the glory of God. Because it is in the cross where Christ died for men's salvation. Nakita ninyo yung resemblance? Do we make sense? Christ holds us together. Laminin glues us together. So there's a cross inside each and every one of us. And this is the one that they are talking about. Tama? Make sense? Mga distributors, papalakpak na lang kayo, hindi nyo pa kayang pumalakpak. Nagsipaglaminin na ba kayo ngayong araw na to? See, yan nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Hindi pa daw. Bilhin ng laminine, hindi para inumin, kundi para ibenta. Bakit? Kayo po ay mga mukhang negosyante. See? You have to be the product of the product. You have to use the product. So, what are we trying to say here? The three short arms of laminin, the B1 chain, the A chain, and the B2 chain, they are the ones that absorbs all the nutrients that you put into your body. And then the photoglycan binding or the cellular binding, the long leg of laminin, they are the ones na nakabaon sa bawat cell, sa bawat tissue, sa bawat organ. Siya naman ang nagdidistribute ng mga nutrisyon na hinigop ng tatlong ito. So that there will be an even distribution of nutrients. Kaya po nagkakasakit ang tao, kulang sa nutrients. Yung mga may sakit sa puso, kulang sa arginine. Yung mga may arthritis, kulang sa bromelain. Yung mga hindi makatulog sa gabi, yung mga may tama sa utak, yung mga may sayad sa utak, kulang sila ng activation ng kanilang serotonin level or the cortisol level is not regulated. Bakit? Hindi nakakarating ng maayos yung mga nutrisyon para sa katawan. Kanina tinanong ko, sino yung mga umiinom ng hypertension maintenance dito? Taas ang kamay. Hypertension maintenance. Anong klase po, Mami? Cozar. Ilan taon na kayong umiinom ng Cozar? 15. Palakpakan ninyo. Tatagal pa yan. Sino pa? Ano pong klase? Norvasc. Meron letter C yun sa dulo. Norvasc. Ganon palagi ang pronunciation nun. Ilan taon na umiinom?
1 year.
Ikaw, yung kapatid na taga-Quiapo. Tatagal pa yan pag hindi mo yan inayos. Sino pa? See? Eto pong mga iniinom ninyo, Mami, Miss 15 years old, ikaw ang panalo ngayong araw na to. Okay? Alam niyo po, yan tinatawag natin na mga vasodilators. Ang ginagawa niyan, ibinubukan niya yung ugat para gumanda yung daloy ng dugo. Natatandaan niyo ba yung hypertension maintenance na ang pangalan ay Calci Block? Pinakasikat, pinakapopular, pinakamura, pinakamadaling mawala ng epekto. Pag uminom ka niyan, ibubukan niya yung ugat. Pagka nawala ng epekto, sasara. Inom ka na naman ulit. Bubuka, sasara. Bubuka, sasara. Kakabuka, kakasara niyan. Pag matagal ka nang umiinom niyan, 15 years or more, rumurupok yung ugat na yan. Pag marupok na yung ugat na yan, pag inom mo niyan, pagbuka niyan, puputok yan. Pag pumutok yan, thy kingdom come. Mamamatay ka. Kung hindi ka, mapaparalisa. Diba? Huwag ko kayo magkapain. Uminom ka na ng laminine? O, ayos yan. Diba? So, ngayon, ang mangyayari niyan, bakit pumutok? Bakit namatay? Kasi, bubuka. Wala nang sasara. Sa Tagalog ho, bobo ka. Inom ka ng inom, hindi ka naman gumagaling. Yun nga yung point dun Till death do us part. Biruin nyo, sino yung doktor ninyo? Yung mama na siguro yan sa inyo, no? Kita mo? Kaya nandito ka, tamang-tama. You are on the right place at the right time. Pero pag hindi nyo tinigil yung mga maintenance na yan, ang susunod na gagamitin po sa inyo na maintenance, monoblock.
Dalawa na namin maintenance.
O mamaya na ho tayo magtsikahan. Basta, dalawa na. Delikado. Monoblock ang susunod. Yan ang uupuan ng mga a-attend ng coffee party mo.
What?
At pagkatapos ang final maintenance ninyo, hollow block. Doon na ho kayo ipapasok sa loob. Gusto niyo ba yon? See? Kaya delikado, kailangan makarating. Merong pagkain na katapat niyang mga iniinom niyong pambuka, pangsara. Gusto niyo bang malaman kung ano? Sabi ni Hippocrates, let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food. So anong pagkain ang pwede niyong kainin kapalit ng pambuka at ng pansara? Sino rito kumain ng pinya? Pineapple. Lahat. Anong parte ng pinya ang kinain ninyo? Anong laman? Lahat ng laman kinain. Wala kayong tinanggal? Yung matigas dun sa gitna, tinanggal, kinain. Sino kumakain nun? Taas ang kamay. Sino nag-aalis nun? Kadalasan nun sa mga Pilipino, tinatanggal yon. Ang tawag doon, ubod. Sa Bacolod, ang tawag doon, tinae. Kaya yung mga doon taga-probinsya, ayaw nyo lang kainin yun. Kasi pangalan pa lang, nakakadiri na tinae. Tinatanggal nila yon, inihahalo yon sa kaning. May nakita na ba kayong baboy na may sakit sa puso? Nagpakain sa baboy. Patay na nga ho yung iba, natake na. Bakit nagkaganon? Yung pong ayaw ninyong kainin na ubod, dahil ubod ng tigas at ubod ng tabang, kinakain ng baboy, 100% amino acid arginine. Arginine relaxes the surrounding muscles of the heart so that the blood can flow smoothly. It melts down the plaque that is embedded in your veins. Ayaw nyong kainin ang kumain baboy. Pagkatapos kinain nyo, yung baboy. Resulta, sakit sa puso. Ano pang parte ng pinya hindi nyo kinain? Mata, balat, corona. Sino na naman ang kumain yan? Baboy na naman. May nakita na ba kayong baboy na may arthritis? Yung tao. Kita nyo? Bakit nagkaganon? Yung mata, balat, at corona ng pinya is 100% amino acid bromelain. It neutralizes uric acid, corrects osteoarthritis, and rheumatism. Eh hindi, mas gusto yung uminom ng Voltaren. At kung ano-ano pa. Anong gusto mo? Makati o masakit? Makati daw yung mata. Palagi ko nakakain ka na ng mata eh, no? Eh bakit mukhang arthritic pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon? See? We have to understand this. Let thy food be thy medicine. That's why we launch Laminine. What is Laminine? This is not a new product. This is an old discovery. It was discovered in 1929 by Dr. John Davidson, a Canadian doctor who discovered that the extract derived from a fertilized avian egg on its highest day of its incubation can be used to treat terminally ill cancer patients back to perfect health. So, ibig sabihin, noong 1929 pa, meron ng kasagutan sa cancer. Kaya lang itinago ng mga doktor kasi nga, hindi kayo pwedeng gumaling. It was discovered in 1929. Napagaling ba yung mga pasyente niya? Hindi. He was able to restore them back to perfect health. Ordinaryong pasyente ba? Hindi rin po. Terminally ill cancer patients. Mamamatay na. And that was 1929 when the technology was not as good as the technology that we have now. And then in 1943, it was presented before the Third International Cancer Conference. Pero pinagtawanan ng mga doktor, dinownplay ng pharmaceutical industry. Ayaw nila. Bakit? Mawawalan sila ng negosyo. Unfortunately, the discovery or the breakthrough medical discovery died when the doctor passed away in 1948. It was archived until some 60 years later, another doctor by the name of Dr. Jodny Eskeland was able to hypothesize that there is a fraction from an egg that can be used to treat a lot of health issue. The only problem that he has is that he doesn't know how to extract it. So he asked the help of Niels Christian Mortensen, a microbiologist. And they were able to put together a technology and a technique to extract that white thin membrane from the egg on the 9th day of its incubation. How? Through what we call PESE, the proto-embryonic stage extract. So na-develop yon. And then when the owners of Laminine decided to purchase the rights of Dr. Davidson's discovery, with the help of Dr. Alex Martin, they put together a team of scientists, microbiologists, doctors, researchers, and put together a team to enhance the discovery in 1929. Using the technology that we have now, which is nanotechnology, they enhanced the product that was discovered. Thus came Laminine. Laminine. Bakit pinangalan ng Laminine? It is from the word laminin. Laminin, a substance found in all of us on a cellular level that literally holds us together. Why was it named Laminine? Because of its molecular structure, because of the health benefits that it yields to our body, and because of the uniqueness in extracting the life essence of a fertilized avian egg on its highest day of its incubation. What day? 9th day. Because according to research, it's exactly on the 9th day when all factors necessary to create life are at its highest level. So stem cell enhanced, stem cell or embryonic stem cell ba tayo? Hindi po. Bakit hindi? Wala pang embryo eh. It was the life essence that has been extracted. So we are not violating the embryonic law or the embryonic stem cell law because there is no embryo during the time that the product was extracted. What we extracted is the life essence necessary to create life. Ayan, maliwanag o, create life. May buhay na ba? Wala pa. Dahil gagawin pa lang. Kaya wala tayong binayad. That's why we are not an embryonic stem cell enhancer. Para pag may nagtanong sa inyo mga Jehovah's Witnesses, may dugo ba yan? Wala. May laman ba yan? Wala. May pinatay ba kayo yan? Wala. Kapag hindi ka tumigil nakakalong sa akin, ikaw papatayin ko. Nagbibiro lang ako. See? The uniqueness of laminine. So what is laminine? The perfect combination of life-giving substance sourced from land, sea, and plant. Summary creation, it is a health mechanism. Di ba sinabi ko kanina? Physicians are not healers. We did not practice medicine to make you well. Your body has its own healing mechanism, and our job is to activate and reactivate the body's healing mechanism. But in order for us to do so, we need to use a health mechanism. Now, the health mechanism is available. Through what? Through laminine. You have now a source from the miracle of life, 100% pure pharmaceutical grade ingredients, tested for safety and quality. Each ingredient is approved as safe by the Food and Drug Authority, generally recognized as safe. Kailangan ba namin yan, Doc? Bakit wala ho kayong FDA approval? Because we do not need an FDA certification. Why? This is a food supplement. Our ingredients has already been approved, generally recognized as safe. So, hindi na natin kailangan ng explanation doon. The only reason why we need an FDA certification here in the Philippines is for food registration. Bakit? Maarte Pilipino eh. But we comply. We are halal certified. FDA certified. Our product contains what? 22 amino acid. For people who are taking insulin shot, per unit of insulin shot only contains 17 amino acid. Our product per capsule contains 22 amino acid. The most complete trace minerals. The most complete vitamins. The only vitamins that we do not have in our product is vitamin C. Walang vitamin C ang laminine. So you need to supplement that. And most of all, we have the most complete phytonutrients, the highest in industry standard. How many? 78,000 phytonutrients. There's a company here in Ortigas that boasts that their phytonutrients is 18,000 and 22,000 respectively. We do not need to boast because you will need to drink 4 of their capsules before even meeting 1 of our capsule. And the most important is that we have something that they don't have and they will never have. What is it? It is what we call the OPT9 and the fibroblast growth factor. To give you an understanding, what is OPT9? OPT9 or oligopeptide transporter 9. It is absent in every human body. You can only get OPT9 from the proto-embryonic stage extract of a fertilized avian egg. What do we have in our body? We only have OPT1 to OPT8. Kaya ang tao po nagkakasakit ng iba't ibang klaseng sakit. May sakit sa puso, may sakit sa utak, may sakit sa baga. Bakit? Hindi nakakarating yung nutrisyon para doon sa organ na yon. Bakit? Kasi po, yung OPT8, yung pinakamataas na oligopeptide natin or the peptides are the amino acid binders. Bawa, kung kumain ako ng pinya, sinundo ng OPT8, yun pong amino acid na arginine, dadalhin sa puso. Ang problema, pagdaan yan sa digestive system, tutunawin yan ng acid. Sabog na. So, hindi pa pakinabangan ng puso. Correct? With the presence of laminine, through the process that we call freeze-dry process, it was able to preserve all the nutrients. It was like shielded. Tapos pag sinundo na yan ng OPT9, babalutan pa uli ng another shield. Kaya pag lusong yan sa acidity ng digestive system natin, hindi siya matutunaw. So from the digestive system, the amino acid arginine, makakarating sa puso. Do you see how beautiful or profound the product is? May utak eh. Ano yung utak niyan? The fibroblast growth factor. the fibroblast growth factor will tell or will order the oligopeptide transporter, o sunduin si RG9, dalin mo sa puso. Ikaw, RG9, pagdating dun sa puso, you take the form of the heart and do its function. There's already a director. And we do not have fibroblast growth factor in our body. The only time we had fibroblast growth factor in our body is during the time that we are being conceived by our mothers. When we were born, together with the amniotic sac and the placenta, inilabas lahat yan. Ang natira sa katawan natin na FGF is good enough to sustain us up to 21 years old. And the most critical years of the fibroblast growth factor that we have in our body is the first 7 years. Kapag kulang ka ng fibroblast growth factor, you will not last 7 years. Pansinin niyo yung mga bata na nagkakasakit, nagkakaproblema, namamatay bago mag-7 taon. Kulang sila sa fibroblast growth factor. Kaya nga ipinagdiriwang natin mga magulang kapag ang anak natin umabot ng 7 years old, hindi ba party yan? Big birthday celebration. Yun po yung dahilan. Because it means that the child will last up to 21 years. Mabubuo, makukumpleto. Unless masagasaan yan or ma-aksidente yan. Diba? Pero as far as the entire human function is concerned, safe and sound na yan. Naiintindihan niyo po? May natututunan po? Gusto niyo pa po? Ayoko na. See? Meron tayo niyan. We have OPT9 and fibroblast growth factor. They don't have that. They will never have that simply because it is patented to Life Farm Global. If you want to buy fibroblast growth factor, you can go ahead. There's only one company in the world that sells it aside from Life Farm Global. And it costs $500,000 pesos. Meron kayo nun? Eh, eto, nasa produkto na. Iinumin mo na lang, ayaw mo pa. Mas gusto nyo yung mga gamot. Ano ba naman ng laminay na yan? Bukod dyan sa 22 amino acid, OPT9, fibroblast growth factor. What are the components of the product? It contains the pese from an avian native egg, shark cartilage or marine-based protein, and a plant-based protein, most specifically, the yellow bean. O anong connection niya? Nakakita na ba kayo ng yellow bean? Sino nakakita na ng yellow bean? Ikaw, nakakita ka na? Wala pa, kasi kumaganong-ganon yung kamay mo. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung yellow bean? Di ba kayo nakakita? Sino kumakain ng garbanzos dito? Garbanzos? Nakita niyo na yung garbanzos? Anong kulay? O, yun na yun, yellow bean. See? Bakit nilagyan yan ng marine-based protein? Especially the shark cartilage. Because it has, according to research, sharks do not develop cancer. Nakakita na ba kayo ng pating? Nakita na kayo ng pating na may cancer? Wala pa, ano? Ako rin hindi pa eh. Why did we put shark cartilage there? Because it is believed that sharks do not develop the disease. Kasi ganito po yan. For those of you who know somebody or yung mga may kakilala na may breast cancer or may cancer of what any kind, pag sinabi nilang remission, kaya tinawag silang cancer survivors because the cancer is in remission. Regardless of how many times that person has undergone chemotherapy, there will remain one cancer cell that will be active. It will just lay dormant in your body, waiting for the right moment. What is the right moment? When the angiogenesis property has been completed. Ano yung angiogenesis na yan? It is when the body develops a new blood vessel. And normally, the body will take about 3 to 5 years to develop a new blood vessel. Once the new blood vessel has been developed, the cancer cell that is dormant will move to the new blood vessel, will multiply much stronger than before. Why? Because it has been immune to all the cisplatinum and the chemotherapy drugs that has been bombarded into the body of the person. Kaya yung mga cancer survivors daw, pag bumalik yung cancer nila, patay. In a matter of less than a year. Yung mga babae na nagkaroon ng breast cancer, Tinanggalan ng isa. O, hindi na babae yon. Bae na lang. Kasi, babae. Natanggalan ng isa. Bae. Natanggalan ng pangalawa. Gusto niyo ba yon? Bakit ba nagkakaroon ng breast cancer ang mga babae? 35 years old, married. Why? Dahil sa kape. Kape pindot, kape pisel ni Mr. The reason why is because of the constant use of deodorant. Deodorant, it won't let you down. Anong nangyari? Nagpahid ng deodorant. Binarahan ngayon lahat ng pores sa armpit. Pagpapawisan, gustong makalabas ng toxin. Hindi makalabas. Barado yung lalabasan. So what it's going to do is that it will look for the fattiest area near the armpit. Ano yun? The breast. And in a matter of years, as it accumulates, it will become a lump. Pag yung lump na yan is malignant, ano yun? Breast cancer. Moral of the story, huwag kayong mag-deodorant. Tawas na lang. Mura na, Pilipino pa. Siguraduhin nyo lang na yung tawas na bibili nyo, yung isang bato, makinis yung dulo. Nakababad yun sa tubig, ha? Pakinisin nyo muna dahil kung hindi, pag kinaskas mo yan sa kilikili mo, sugat-sugat yan. Ang hapdi kaya. See? Breast cancer. Ano pa ang inilagay namin dyan? Nilagyan po yan, kaya nga meron yan ang tinatawag na anti-angiogenesis property. It inhibits the growth of a new blood vessel. Pag walang blood vessel, wala nang lilipatan yung cancer cell. The cancer cell will just die a natural death. Madi-deactivate. Okay? Ano pa? Bakit inilagay yan dyan? Dahil magaling daw po yan sa arthritis. May nakita na ba kayong pating na may arthritis? Psoriasis. Diba? Psoriasis, walang gamot. Autoimmune disease. Sorry as is. Psoriasis, walang gamot. And it develops, it's good for anti-inflammatory because it will develop chondroitin sulfate. See? Ano pang inilagay namin dyan? Marami pong nilagay dyan. Nilagyan po yan ng yellow pea. Why? Because accordingly, it is good to prevent stomach, bone, and lung cancer. But most especially, it is good to prevent male cancer. Ano yung male cancer? Prostate. Mga lalaki, kapag kayo ay umiihi at bigla kayo nakaramdam ng matinding sakit doon sa ilalim na yon, kabahan ka na. Because you are already developing prostatitis. Ano pa? It is very good for vision health. It reverses macular degeneration. From astigmatism, myopia, presbyopia, glaucoma, cataract, reverse. Napakagaling yan. Lilinaw uli ang mga mata ninyo. Meron akong pasyente sa Malaysia, bulag na kapagsalita. Ang sabi ng bulag, nakakakita na ako, I can see. Kayo naman, hindi pa ako tapos eh. See? It's very good for vision health. And most of all, it reverses or slows down the aging process. Sino rito ang gustong tumanda? Taas ang kamay. See, wala. How? It will increase or enhance your libido. Libido enhancement. The estrogen, the progesterone, the testosterone, it will be elevated. Pag mataas po ang libido ninyo, it slows down the aging process. Alam niyo ba sa Tagalog kung ano yung libido? Alam niyo? Ha? Sabihin ninyo, matatanda na tayo dito. Walang mali siya. Ano ang Tagalog ng libido? Libog! See? Humanap kayo ng mga kasing edad ninyo. Kapag yung kasing edad ninyo, mas bata sa inyo, ibig sabihin nun, ano? Mas malibog siya kaysa sa iyo. Sino gustong tumanda? Taas ang kamay. Walang gustong tumanda. Kaya kailangan lahat kayo malilibog. Eh, napakahirap na maging malibog ngayon. Hindi ba? Uminom kayo ng Laminan. It works as a natural Viagra for men and women. See? This is clinically proven, ladies and gentlemen. If you want, you buy the clinical study that they have here. It's this thick. Parang Encyclopedia Britannica. Kalahati po niyan tungkol sa kalibugan ng pinag-uusapan. Libido enhancement. See? That's how important libido is. Ayaw niyo tumanda? Ayaw gusto? O, di kayo naman malibog kayo. Huwag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa, ha? Kung ayaw niyo naman po, this is the only supplement in the world that contains not only 1, but 14 clinical research. Pakihiram nga ako doon to ng clinical study. Pati yung flip chart. See? You have to understand the product. We are a quasi-medicine. Why? We have clinical study. We have clinical research. We do not need the no-approved therapeutic claim because we have approved therapeutic claim conducted by universities and hospitals both in the United States and in Europe. This is a standalone product. Kanina kaya po sumusunod tayo ng no-approved therapeutic claim is because we don't have an approved therapeutic claim is because they don't have a clinical study. Nakita niyo na ba yung kahon natin? May nakalagay ba dito na no-approved therapeutic claim? Wala. Because we don't need it. Why? We don't need it. We have clinical research. Not only 1, but 14. Kami mga doktor, pag binentahan nyo kami ng supplement, ang unang-una ko itatanong, meron kang clinical study? Wala po eh. Huwag mo na akong istorbohin. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Eto hindi lang isa, 14. Pwede nyo bilhin doon, yung makapal, mawiwindang kayo bago nyo maintindihan yung mga wordings doon, o pwede nyo bilhin ito. Pag inulit nyo ito ng 160 times na binasa ninyo, kabisado nyo na. Kaya nga ako, 160 times ito binasa, kabisado ko na. Kahit nakapikit ako. Laminine is a health mechanism that increases the health integrity of the body so that the body can heal itself. Basahin nyo to. Pagkatapos yung basahin nyo ito ng paulit-ulit, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung title sa pangalan nyo, MD, PhD. Di ba? Eh mga Pilipino pa naman, mahilig mag-play doctor. You guys want to play doctor, correct? Yet you do not want to study to become one. Oh, sumakit yung katawan niya, uminom ng Alaxan IFR. Pagkatapos, kilala niya yung kapitbahay niya, sumakit ang katawan, nagsabi, nagreseta pa. Bumili ka ng Alaxan IFR, ang galing. Ginagawa niyo yan o hindi? Oh, di ba nagdodoktor-doktoran kayo? What you do not know is that what might be good for you may be bad for another person because each individual has different body metabolism. Now you have a common denominator. Ano yun? Laminine. Kahit na ireseta mo yan ng paulit-ulit, wala pong contraindication. Even a pregnant woman after the first trimester can take the product. Even a child can take a product. Bakit? According to the International Red Cross, a child upon birth contains 250 toxins found in the umbilical cord transferred from mother to child. And 126 of those toxins are brain toxins. Kaya hindi natin alam kung yung bata autistic until after 3 years old when it starts manifesting. Eh kung nasa bata pa yan, napapainom na yan ng laminine, so yung mga lesions sa brain, napupunuan. Habang nasa development stage. See? The product is so profound, ladies and gentlemen. I can go on and on and on and discuss how good it's for memory enhancement, for lecithin connection, for the cardiovascular and the cerebrovascular system, how good it is for energy, for developing muscles, etc., etc. I can go on and on. But why? I want you to research it. I want you to study it. What you have heard from me now, I think, will be sufficient enough to make you want the product. Importante, you have to be the product of the product. You have to be a user first before you become a pusher. And yes, you will become a pusher whether you like it or not. Because you're going to start sharing the product to your friends, families, relatives, and friends, and etc., etc. Bebenta at bebenta kayo ng produkto sa ayaw at sa gusto nyo. Eh maganda rito, ibinenta mo, ichinika mo, magkakatseke ka. Di ba? Anong magandang pelikula na napanood nyo lately? Hansel and Gretel. Chinese Zodiac. Nirekomenda mo panoorin nyo to, ang ganda. Binayaran ba kayo ng mga producer? Binayaran kayo hindi? Eto, Rekomenda mo, babayaran kayo ng Life Farm Global o hindi? O, di kumita kayo, makukuha nyo ng libre yung produkto. See, that's the beauty of it. It's so profound. Lahat ng klase ng sakit, all disease are reversible. Lahat ng klase ng sakit can be addressed by this one pill. Unlike in the traditional medicine, a pill for every ill. Ito, one pill does it all. From A to Z. Saan ka pa? Makukuha nyo ng libre yung product. Because you have to understand, people cannot get away from getting sick anymore. From the air we breathe. Ngayon pa lang nagpapalitan tayo ng hininga dito. Kaya nga ako nabigay ng Laminin kasi hepatitis B carrier ako. Para yung mga nasa unahan, hindi mahawa. Hindi po, wala ako kay hepatitis. Nagbibigay lang ako. The air we breathe, the water that you drink, the food that you eat. I'm sure itong mga taon to, mga matatakaw to. Filipinos are always on a seafood diet. Do you know what a seafood diet is? They eat all the food they see. Seafood, kain. Seafood, kain. You eat 5 to 7 times a day. Correct? Breakfast, brunch, lunch, snack, dinner, supper, midnight snack. Pag galit yan, kakain, masaya kakain, malungkot kakain, mainit ang ulo kakain, always a reason to eat. The question is, how often do you move your bowel? Who among you moves their bowel 3 to 4 times a day? Raise your hand. Twice a day. Once a day. Yung mga hindi nagtaas ng kamay, hindi tumatae. Kaya mukha mo pala kayong taing-tay na eh. See, the normal bowel movement is 3 to 4 times a day. Why? The food that you eat stays in your colon for 2 days before you expel them out. Sino itong tumayo ngayong umaga? Ngayong araw na to? Tumayo ka na ngayong araw na to? At mukha parang hindi. Yung itinain mo ngayong araw na to, yun yung kinain mo nung Lunes. Nung Lunes, kumain ka ng 5 beses. Kahapon, Martes, kumain ka ng 5 beses uli. Tapos ngayon, tatay ka ng 1 beses. Ang yabang mo pa, paglabas mo ng banyo, sabi mo, success. Paano nangyaring success? 10 beses kang kumain, 1 beses ka lang tatay. You are now a very good candidate for colon blockage. After colon blockage, it becomes colon. Mabuti na lang, walang namamatay sa colon cancer. Tae lang yun eh. Sabi nga sa English, it's just a piece of shit. May kilala ba kayong tao namatay dahil sa tae? Colon cancer? Meron? Sino? Nakita niyo ba yung death certificate ni Cory? Cause of death, colon cancer. Cause of death, cardiac arrest. Wala akong namamatay dahil sa colon cancer. Namatay si Cory Aquino because of cardiac arrest, not because of colon cancer. Sino ba? Si Rudy Fernandez, cancer of the stomach. Hello. Helen Vela, colon cancer. Pero ano yung kinamatay ni Helen Vela? Pneumonia. Nobody dies of colon cancer. People with colon cancer dies of complication brought about by colon cancer. Tae lang yan. Wala akong namamatay sa tae. Gusto nyo? Yung magkakasakit muna kayo. Yung mau-hospital muna kayo. At pagkalas o-operahan kayo. At tas mamamatay din kayo. Hindi ba sadista yun? See? Comfort room. CR. Pagpasok nyo doon, nagiging delivery room. Bakit? Kiri kayo ng iri. Ayaw lumabas. Bakit ayaw lumabas? Bakit hindi kayo matain ng maayos? It's simply because you do not drink enough water. Huwag kayong tumulad doon sa isang pasyente ko. Kilalang kilala sa Senado. Tawag nga nila doon, Brenda. Ngayon, may sakit na naman. Kung tumaiyon 1 beses, 1 linggo. Nakita nyo na, baliw na nga. Nung pinatay ko, buong bahay sa La Vista. Narinig yung sigaw niya. Akala namin namamatay na. Yung pala nakatae. Tapos aalis na ako, ayaw kong paalisin. Nakaka-4 na tae na siya, ayaw pa akong paalisin. Pakiramdam ko mukha akong inodoro. So huwag kayong tumulad dun. 3 to 4 times a day is the normal bowel movement. The moment you wake up, after breakfast, and before going to bed. And drink lots of water. Okay? Now, how can Laminin help? It will normalize the flora of your body. Iko-correct niya. Itatama niya yung mali. What we are doing is we are reintroducing to you the signaling of youth again. Do you remember the time when you easily sleep at night? Do you? Do you remember the time when you easily get back after getting sick? Yung madali kayong gumaling? Yung hindi kayo madaling mapagod? Yung malakas ang resistensya nyo? Kailan yung panahon na yon? That was the age of 14 to 21 years old. Laminin will give you back. It is what we call the signaling of youth. Again, it's already inside your system. We are just going to enhance it and bring it back. So yung mga nandito po, yung mga nag-imbita sa inyo, palakpakan po ninyo because they are concerned. My name is Dr. Lito De Luna Fruto. I thank you very much for your time.